fines, meaning you're paying for a summon or tickets to the government here. Oh, okay. Oh, now I know. Oh, laugh out loud. Oh, okay. That's why Singapore is a fine city. Oh, oh, I know.